check valve here.
What's it checking?
It's this big compressor going in the system.
Oh, okay.
It's an air pump.
Yep. What's the flywheel on top?
Yeah, that's the flywheel.
Yeah. What's this?
That's the flyball cover.
Flyball
So
cover.
I'll explain that here in a minute.
Okay. Look at this pump arm going.
That arm is going back and forth?
Yeah.
Oil under pressure is delivered to that arm. And then it delivers the oil down to the crank knuckle that's going back and forth.
Yep.
The only way to oil it is to have that moving arm hollow. The oil goes down through it into the crank knuckle, lubricating the crank pin.
Yep.
So you've got your intake valves up on the top.
Okay.
Your exhaust valves down on the bottom.
Yep.
They're running off the same cam. So that cam that you see there is operating both the intake and the exhaust.
Oh, wow. And it's just timed by the offset of the roller.
But the timing sequence is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are double act. This is a tandem double acting engine.
Yep.
There's a cylinder there. There's the spare piston set up there, but that's for a smaller engine.
Okay.
This is 24-inch bore by 48-inch stroke.
Okay.
So tandem means there's two of them.
Yep.
Double acting means they're firing on both sides of the piston.
Yep.
18-foot, 20-ton flywheel, 140-ton engine, 75 feet long. The engine is operating a 18-inch diameter compressor, double-acting compressor at the other end. It compressed natural gas in the gas fields at a compressor station. And it sucked the gas right off the line that it was compressing to operate the engine.
That's an excellent feat.
So you've got your crank knuckle, your first cylinder here with the double acting piston in it.
Yes.
You have a crosshead here, the device that is supporting the piston rod in the middle.
Okay.
You have in the second cylinder your tail end crosshead at the back that supports the piston a piston rod at the back end, and the water. And I'll show you. The water comes in this end, goes out that end there.